Hello everyone, I am Deeksha from EC branch. The innovative idea on which I am going to discuss here is smart trash bin using Arduino. A smart dustbin is, as its name only represents, that it works smartly, or we can say that it is an automatic dustbin. Smart dustbin is automated dustbin intended to reduce human efforts and improve cleanliness. It is a decent gadget and make your home clean and attractive. Components required are Arduino Uno, servo motor, ultrasonic sensor, dustbin or container, jumper wires. This is a schematic structure of a smart dustbin. What will it do? The smart dustbin project consists of a sensor to detect human parts. The sensor will automatically generate a signal and it will open automatically. It opens automatically when it receives the signal and locks after a few seconds on its own. Where it will be used? The smart dustbin can be used in offices to store a vast amount of papers. It occupies less space so that it can be easily used in homes. It also plays an essential role in public places. Thank you.